and a 1. And actually, I should probably check where that webcam is pointing because I feel like it's off. Let's go ahead and pick a question first. That's not what I want to click on. All right, we have 20 questions divvied out for today. The ABC type problems are split up, so obviously there aren't 20 questions on your closure. But for our first question, Bethany, pick a number. 12. I forget which problem it is, but it's part C, so you should be able to figure it out. Simplify that expression. Like we were practicing yesterday, past couple days, I think. I need to know the lyrics if I'm going to sing, I think. Alright, this is totally pointed wrong. Hey, scoreboard's over there today, thanks to Sophia, and Towers over here. Thanks like Liam and Arfon for building it. I think you guys actually built it right. We've been having some difficulties the past couple times we've built it. Alright, so Bethany, whenever your team is ready.
We're ready. I think my winter one's better than my fall one.
Well, winter snowflakes are just nice. Alright. So when we clean this up, I guess I should probably pause this. When we clean this up, Bethany, you are question master. So what do you get with your fully simplified expression? 3x squared plus 3x plus 8 is correct. Hopefully everyone has that on their paper because you shouldn't have to take your closure home. Between today and tomorrow, we should get it all finished. All right, send someone up to the tower. I should probably move it forward so it's not so tight in the back here. Raiden, pick our next number.
It's like leaning. It's like
I didn't build it. Don't blame me.
it's 15.
15. Simplify means do the math.
I can't see because I got blocked.
It's 126A. So even if you can't see, just look at your paper. It's 126A. So middles are 7, right? It's either 7 or 9. Middles are 7, outers are 9. Well, -6 because you would have actually gotten the 4 points for getting the question right. But yeah, so then it's 4 plus -10. Talk to your team. Why are you talking to me? You got a team.
We're ready.
You're ready?
Yeah.
You sure?
Uh-huh.
You checked with each other?
Yeah.
All right. Raiden, question master. What is this when it is completely simplified? 2 is correct. What's up, Alex? I updated everything that got turned in yesterday. I don't know, but I'm in the middle of teaching class, so we got to talk about this later, but I'm sorry. Like, right now is not the appropriate time.
Is it 4 for getting the question right, then 9 for the outer?
No, so it's a total of 7 or 9. Total of 7 for the middle, total of 9 for the outer. Man, I should make this into a homework assignment at the beginning of the year so you guys will actually remember it. Ashley, pick a number.
I'm watching it.
6. Guys, we're going to keep moving on to get as many of these problems done as we can.
Very good.
Fill in this diamond problem. Top is product. Bottom is sum. Middle 7. Bethany, didn't you guys also just have 7? Because you did middle. Then why does it say 9 up there?
That's me.
Why? How did you get to 11? It's a total of 7 or total of 9. Yo, trying to cheat. I gotta watch the scoreboard. Obviously, because the winners, get so much. And someone's throwing it down this morning. Take it from the bottom. I don't know. That might come back to bite you in the butt.
It's gonna bite you.
Wait, which one are we on?
Whenever you guys are ready, just let me know. But make sure we all agree. I forgot about my smoothie. We're ready? School to start again. All right, Ashley. You didn't even give me a chance to. Okay, sorry. What? Oh yeah, because then positive 12 and negative 1 make the 11, and when there's one negative involved in the multiplication, the top would become negative 12. Very good. Send someone to the tower. That someone could be you. 6 is gone. And Devin, next number. What? 19. Remember, proportional is in our math notes if we need to check what it means to be proportional. What? What? I mean, it doesn't fit my head is what it really is, but just a little penguin, just a little festive. So, for the record, with our scoreboard being slightly smaller, we need to just erase the previous and put the new score. Right? So when you come up here, you're going to have to do the math, add your new amount with whatever you had.
Yeah, because I may or may not have given a I'm sorry. Do you want to make one? I have the answer.
You have the answer, and you've agreed?
Yep.
All right, Devin. You must defend your answer. You have to tell me why you said what you said. Because, I mean, otherwise you could just be guessing, right? No, but you can have more time to talk with your team. You're the question master. You have to give the answer. All right, 30 more seconds. And then you just told me you were on time too early. I mean, they just told me too soon. They didn't get it wrong. You can steal if they get it wrong.
I know, but they didn't.
If they get it wrong.
But they didn't tell you how to.
Okay, well, they probably just didn't read the directions. But on your paper, it just asks, are they proportional? Does your paper say, like, you got to state why or why not? Yeah. Yeah, then you might want to actually, like, put that on your paper of why or why not. Devin. So wait, start over. Is it proportional?
No.
Why?
It does not go by the same rate.
And one other way we could look at that, guys, we're halfway there. We have 0, 0. That's something you need to be proportional. But then, I just always go big number to small. Every division that we do should come out to be the same. So if you're dividing 48 by 4, what do you get? What's 48 divided by 4? 12, right? 1,000 divided by 10. Like, these are not all the same. If I do these divisions, or if I check what is it multiplying by, this would be times 100, and this is times 12. Not proportional, right? Not proportional. So come on up, Devin, or somebody else. 19 is gone. mean, Devin said it doesn't go up by the same each, which is also a reason it wouldn't be proportional because of the straight line. But when you just have a table, you can check the divisions. Safe. Pick a number. 11. Happy birthday, T Swift. I've been marked. What? Don't worry, it'll only be on until people are ready to give me the answer. So if Safe wants this song to be turned off, he just has to solve this problem.
Wait, what? So if we want this song to be turned up, he has to solve the
Turned off. Because I pause it to take the answer and then I keep switching songs. Remember, this is your chance to get this homework assignment done, turned in before break. It's not due, but you can turn it in before break and be done with it.
Oh, we're ready.
You ready?
Turn this song off. Please, I beg of you.
Under the mistletoe.
I don't know the words. All right, Safe. When we simplify this, what do we get? 18x plus 3 is correct. Send someone to the tower. 11 is gone. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Making our second lap complete. Sam, pick our next question. 8. Simplify. Make sure you follow the order of operations. All right, we'll throw it a bit older. Don't be selfish. You should always share. Share like the recording artist. I love when you don't find my jokes funny. I can always get a laugh.
Oh my god!
So, we calculated. No.
I don't know which one to do first. No, we're north. We're at 16 things.
Hey, do as many problems as you can. I gotta go find a student real quick.
Okay.
So like, try to work ahead.
Dad, is it minus? Let's pause. Did I get this D? That's not the right problem. Isn't the right problem? No.
D is, yes.
No.
No.
I did the wrong one. My bad. Well, at least I got that one done. What?
What'd you get for?
Jack got pain in his mouth. How? Jack, tell him how you got pain in your mouth. Wait, how'd you get pain in your mouth? Were you eating paint, Jack?
Some paint, like trying to pump paint, when it come out, we didn't know it was dry. When it broke, the paint just went everywhere. And some got on, not a bunch, but some got on like a streak in my shirt.
And I accidentally got in his hair. I accidentally got some on his hair.
And then
But you're such a dumb.
okay, yeah. I'm a dumb everyone chocolate.
Alright. Then I need to find what Cora Taylor is. Anyone know what class Cora Taylor would be in right now?
No, I know she was just in bed though.
That is unhelpful. Sam,
Wait, I don't know if that should be.
I appreciate you trying to help, but saying the class they were just in. Sam, your final simplified answer after you did the math. Please stop talking. Is what? Because if you are talking, you can't hear if their answer's right or not. But their answer's right. Send someone to the tower. Arfon, next question.
Hey Sam, go down 2 levels.
Yep, that's a great idea, Ray.
I can't hear you.
I should do that.
13.
I should probably do the middle one too, Ray, right? You can't put it back.
Yeah, you can.
You can?
You need me to go back to the rules page that you obviously didn't pay attention to?
So you can take it out and put it back in.
My Jenga is different. But no, he did not remove it. He just he started to mess with it and then said, nah. Guys, you all have the same rules. It's fair. Now, if you didn't pay attention to the rules, that's a you problem.
Let's go in the lead.
So this is 124D. Right? 124D.
We're in the lead.
For this moment.
No, it's gonna be like next.
We are also the first team to go. So, of course, until somebody knocks over the tower. No, your team went first, Bethany. Or no, sorry. They're the first team. You guys are the last team. My bad. So you're at the end of the cycle. It's actually very good work if you're in the lead now. What? Did every other team do 7s and you guys didn't? Look at that. 7 is safer, but 9 starts to inch ahead. What?
No, we literally learned this yesterday, and after this sounds so. Come on, you better not go quit. What is Jesus up? Like, we're gonna keep the lead.
You can't do it.
Keep going down to that tower. I'm allowed.
Figure it out. If only there was a property that let us like move the parentheses and move numbers around. Like there were like a couple of things that let us do that. That would make our life a lot
So this is in parentheses, so like.
But doesn't that property let you bring in parentheses, move parentheses, or remove parentheses? It's T-Star's birthday.
How old is she? Like 30?
All right, for 124D. Arfon, how did you guys deal with that x minus 1? Because some people are upset about that. Yeah, you just didn't care that it was grouped up in parentheses, and you said there's an x there, there's an x there. There's 2 more x's there, making 4x. Then we have 4 plus 3 will make 7. But that -1 brings us back to 6. Arfon sent someone to the tower. We're moving on to Jane picking the next question. Hold on, 13 is gone. Hey, hold up. 2, just straight up 2. Another diamond problem. Ooh, this one's not that bad. As long as you did an outside block, yes. I am not restarting my computer right now. You're ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
All right, Jane. For 123B, let's start at the top. And the bottom? Absolutely. Send someone to the tower. Man, this is wild. Is this still running? Alright, I never paused this, right? Sweet.
Look for Sam.
What? No, wait, James. You don't have to go on the ball.
Go up.
But what if she wants to?
Do whatever you want. Do whatever you want.
Do whatever feels good. Like, if the bottom one feels like it's easy to get out, we're going to move on because this is a lot of pressure. Sophia. No? That's not a number.
Flip it off like a baby.
9 is a, like, no. In German, the word no is 9. 17. Okay. Safe. Sit down and quit putting so much pressure on. You're not up there to feel how it feels. The tower changes. It shifts. It puts pressure different places. If that feels tough to get out, I would be cautious.
No, Sam, shut up.
So, you only have to go below this level. Oh, there we go. See, that's safe. Sometimes it's just worth going the safe move. Is this table proportional? It is Sophia's question. I should put on music because you guys are talking real intensely. Have a holly. No, we did part C. You might have done it already.
Don't say it out loud.
They could be trying to trick you. Ooh, I need to pass back papers. I forgot to pass back papers yesterday. My bad, friends. Remember your folders in the back of the room where you can stash papers that you don't want in your binder anymore. Oh yeah, I feel like a lot of us do. I'm gonna remind you guys on Friday to clear your binders before you get break if you want. You can put other kinds of stuff back there too. I don't care. All right, Sophia thinks she's ready. This is why it's a team game. It's not you getting it wrong. It's your team if they all agree with you. All right, Sophia. Is this proportional? You must defend what you say.
It is not.
Why?
Because I did 5 times 3 equals 15, and then I did 9 times 3, and it equals 27.
Ooh, the other thing that we can check in these tables is whatever happens across the top has to happen across the bottom. And there's also another glaring in your face, this is not proportional. Like, this is like yelling at you. What part of this is yelling at you that this is not proportional? Was that a hand or a stretch? I mean, Kamal, I think is trying to say it. Kamal? Do we have 0, 0? You have to have 0, 0 to be proportional. You gotta. Guys, it's like somebody walking up and saying, I give you 0 pizzas, pay me $19. Because negative, pay me, I got 0 pizzas. Should you give something for nothing? No, that is not proportional. So send someone to the tower.
No, Lane.
No. I thought you were telling me no again about not wanting to come to the tower. Eli. Pick a number. 18. Ha! Another! Is this proportional? This is good review. Guys, we might need to do these problems again tomorrow for our choir people, and you guys just tell them what the right answers are. For the record, I was an NSYNC kind of 2000s kid, not Backstreet Boys. I was an NSYNC kid. And happy holidays.
I don't like this.
You want to get one out?
Finish the job. It's like halfway out. So
Rip it out like a baby.
you gotta go for it now.
Okay.
You gotta go for it now.
Do it slowly.
We did it!
Let's get it.
I was trying to help it get out.
How much? 7.
7. Middles are 7, but they're safer.
Wait.
Less points, safer hole.
Well, what about the 4 points we got for
That's part of the 7. Friends? Everybody give me your eyes. We will come back to problem 18 because I swear I'm going to have an aneurysm if I have to keep explaining this. It's like where a vein explodes. These are the points for the game. They've never changed. 4 is for the problem. 3 is for the middle block. 5 is for the outer block. Making a total of 7 or 9 or -6. I'm not answering this question again in this calendar year.
What about for the other people?
You better be able to answer for them because I'm not doing it. I'm done. Love you all, but I have repeated that a million times. Yeah, learn the rules.
Wait, how do I? Wait, what is 1 plus?
Dude, that happens to me because we switch board games every single week at Game Next. I'm like, I haven't played this in 2 months. I need a refresher.
I need a practice round. No more.
You ready?
I don't think you're ready. I don't like that.
All right, Eli says he's ready.
7 times what is 9?
All right, Eli, is this table proportional?
Yes.
Why? Hey, why are people like looking? I mean, if you're putting papers away, that's fine. But I started to feel like we're packing up. We got like 8 minutes left. We're gonna keep doing as much as we can. Sorry, what'd you say? Why? If you do the division of big number divided by small number, every single one of these, Eli said, comes out to be 2. Now, do we have to see the 0, 0 point? No, because if all of these divide out to be 2, and we put 0 on top, what's 0 divided by 2? 0. So we know that that would happen. You don't have to see 0, 0. You have to be able to defend it would be there, right? It would exist there. Why hit the right button? Why are you possessed? 18 is gone. We're getting around a 4th lap for everyone. This is wild. Jack. 5.
Yeah. You can get the other 2 out.
This is a great problem to end on today. You got like 5 minutes, guys. You got like 5 minutes to solve this out. You got to go at least 3rd full layer down. Now, I will tell you, the top tends to be dangerous because you're pushing on the high part of the tower, and if there's not enough support, it'll fall over. You make your decision, but sometimes the top is dangerous. King, safe. You're sitting on the throne.
I am.
I'm guessing you're sitting out. If only someone had been trying to help him. We're trying to go hunting. Well, you gotta wear bright colors in the woods so no one else shoots you by accident. Because deer can't see color.
Safety orange.
Yeah, deer, well, they're at least color deficient. I don't know if they're fully colorblind, but they can't see the bright colors. I mean, they see them, but they look like gray. Yeah, that's why hunters wear bright colors, because the deer can't tell, but the other hunters can. So you're going to need from step 1 to step 2, step 2 to step 3. I will color code up here that you'll be able to tell me, okay, the blue, okay, the green, okay, the purple, and then orange. we can do this one today before we leave. If we don't end up ready, we're going to save those points and pick this up tomorrow. We still got like 4 minutes. So I would still, if I was you, keep getting as much done as you can because you're getting your homework done right now. You're getting your homework done right now. So what it looks like is going to happen is Kamal, you're going to be first to pick tomorrow. Okay, so help me remember because I'm going to set my cards. We are, but then we're going to finish Jenga tomorrow. Friday, I don't get actual normal math class because science fair. So Kamal, I'm putting your team on top. You just got to help me remember that's because you are the next pick. Crap, wait. Lane, whose team are you with? With Kamal's. Okay. Your card was sitting out. So there are really 4 potential answers here inside of that hint parentheses. Right, that hint that, guys, I don't know how many times I can say this before everyone will hear it because, like, kids still, I'm working with them, they're like, oh, wait, you do this? I make these homeworks. Yes, I pull the problems from CPM and then I edit them. So anytime it says a hint or something like that, that's me. All right, that's me trying to push you in the right direction. Do you guys think you're ready? I forget whose problem it was.
Yes,
It's Jack's. Jack, the blue up here that takes us from step 1 to step 2. What's happening there?
The first one is commutative.
First one is commutative because that allows us to rearrange. It allows us to move numbers because commute means to move, right? Commute means move. What about green?
Associative.
Associative because that allows us to
add parentheses or move them.
Yeah, mess with parentheses, right? Add them, move them, take them away. Like whatever you're doing with parentheses, it's probably associative. Might be distributive. Purple.
Simplify.
Yeah, which we can also call combined like terms or simplify. And orange.
Simplify.
That is correct. Send someone up for the final draw of today. A lot of pressure. Don't knock the tower over to end class. Thank you, Alex. You know you're coming to me next, right? Like in a minute. Just saying. Say, take a step back.
This could mean it dropped it, which means you win.
Why do you have a good and a B?
We keep going tomorrow. Like, there's no winner today. Dude, you got like 30 seconds.
I know.
The only reason I don't have kids waiting in the hallway is they're coming from Estes. You are out of time. You will draw tomorrow. Do you want to draw today? Okay. You got to make a decision or go. You got a class to get to. Braden, take a step back. Oh, put it on top. Put it on top.
Be careful, please, Jack.
Jack can barely reach. Tower's so tall. All right, give your points. Give your points. Points. No saving for tomorrow. All right, have a great day, guys. Yeah, they do deserve that one. That was pretty good.